Smoky frankfurters, smooth egg and crisp white toast, all put together for a brilliant breakfast. This frankfurter omelette toasty is a great way to start the day. So watch now, learn how to make it, give it a try and enjoy your own frankfurter omelette breakfast. Here we go. Start off, cut that frankfurters into chunks and chuck them in a frying pan, fry them for a few minutes, moving around, then pour on some beaten egg. Try and shape this into a little bit of a square as you can, but ensure all the frankfurters are covered with the egg. They're all encased within that omelette. So cook that through for a few minutes, shaping as you go. As I say, I'm just shaping it there, making sure it's a nice square shape. So it's going to fit in the bread really well. So it's going to fit in that toasty well. Limited overspill. So just shape that. And then meanwhile, get some bread in the toaster. Have that toast done how you like it. And lay that toast out. Put a little bit of barbecue sauce or mayonnaise even on the bottom. Got it there on both sides. Now I've just covered the omelette there a little bit, just at the end, just to help cook the top of it a little bit. You want a little bit runny, but just as so it's a little bit firm as well. So that's perfectly cooked. So it's simple to make. Just get that out, put it on your toast, close it or give it the famous push down. And there you go. You've got a fantastic frankfurter omelette toasted sandwich ready to go. Absolutely delicious. What's your favourite breakfast? Let us know in the comments. Would you give this a try? Or would you try it with a different twist? Always happy to learn from our watchers. Be sure to hit subscribe as well.